Wayne Gardner's Coca-Cola Commodore as they come up onto the start.
And great view there of the speeds achieved, about 225 kilometres an hour as they come down toward this hairpin. Very, very tough on the brakes as we've seen. Race leader, Wayne Gardner.
Well, he's had a bad day, but...
Gardner gets really sideways.
Hi guys, Tim here from TP Restorations and Replicas, and today we're here at the REDiNK Group in Melbourne restoring chassis WGR001 back to its iconic Coca-Cola Racing livery as used in the 1995 Shell Australian Touring Car Championship at Sandown. We're going to show you a bit of the artwork process, the signage production and the installation. There's plenty to get done today, so let's get stuck in. Now with all the Coca-Cola and minor sponsor signs printed and cut out, we're going to head over to the car and apply black paint replacement film over the rear quarters and boot lid in preparation for our signs to go on over the top. I hope you can hear me because it's just started bucketing in Melbourne again. Nevertheless, we've got the wrap on the rear quarters done, we've got the front and rear window banners installed. Next we're going to be putting on the whole left-hand side. I've just finished putting the last of the stickers on the car. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. It's looking the part exactly like it did back in 1995. Thank you to all of our partners for making this possible. If you want to see some of our other work, you can head to tpracedesign.com.au. Thanks for watching.